Wix versus Squarespace, which one is better for business? Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Wix and Squarespace and which one is better for your business. Now here, as you guys can see, I have this table demonstrating the difference. So here, if you go to the business side, as you guys can see, for the Wix, the business side will have some SEO tools, rich app store, email marketing, and social media integrations. Which means you can have, built-in SEO tools which you can use. You have a cool app store, which means you can add a lot of applications like drop shipping, pre-built applications. You can do the email marketing on the Wix, and there's social media integration on the Wix as well. If you talk about Squarespace, Squarespace also have SEO tools and also have email marketing and also have social media integration, and you can do the analytics better at the Squarespace. Now here it totally depends upon you. You have seen the differences. Which one you should go for is totally depends upon you. But if you talk about the website customization, Wix has more customization as compared to Squarespace, and Squarespace is user friendly. So this was the difference, and it totally depends upon you. But in my case, I would go for the Wix, but it totally depends upon you, whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.